Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to configure the Flow Services Server connector. Log into the Boomi platform, then create a process component. Next, choose the start shape as a connector and then select the connector as Boomi Flow Services Server. Once you select the connector, the connection and action will be available by default. Now, choose the operation. After creating the process, create the package component. Once the packaged component is created, then deploy the process to the required environment. A sample process is shown in the screenshot above. Thank you, and that's all. Have a great day. Goodbye.